So you've been asking, how is it that I use Manus? Well, not only do I use it every day, and I use it a lot. It's an incredibly powerful tool, and if you're not familiar with it, I'm going to give you an overview of all the things that Manus can do, and on top of it, show you how I use it on a day-to-day basis to help run my business. Manus has helped me scale my business. It's helped me grow. It's helped me hire amazing team members. It's helped me serve my community and my audience. It's an amazing tool. It's different than many as it's an agentic AI tool. And in fact, it's so popular that Meta just spent billions of dollars to buy it. So what does it mean? Well, I'm going to show you how to use Manus. It's simple, it's straightforward, but it does require a slightly different way of thinking. And so we're going to talk about Manus. We're going to talk about their brand new Manus agent. I'm going to share with you how you can use it for all kinds of purposes, day in and day out, to build your business. I'm also going to address that elephant in the room, which is, but Jonathan, we got to pay for credits, and it eats credits like, I don't know, a sailor eating peanuts in a bar. Yeah, you're right, it does. And I'm going to show you how to minimize that. I'm going to show you how to earn credits as well so that you can minimize your spend, and why I think the investment is worth it. Join me. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to spend about 2 hours together. I'm going to do some training. I'm going to spend a lot of time doing live demos. And best of all, we're going to have your favorite Q&A, where we're going to be able to answer your questions about what Manus can do, and more importantly, probably how to do it. So join me. It's just $10 if you sign up before we go live, and that includes the replay. And if you sign up afterwards, it's only $20, so it's still really affordable. Join me and learn why Manus is one of my favorite AI tools.